Installment and operation. Number 1. Unpacking. Step 1. Put the wooden box flat on the floor carefully. Screw the screws off the cover and plate, but not the beside ones. Step 2. Move the cover away. Put out the parts inside the box carefully. Parts include one accessory box, 2 stands, two stand rails, and a pump pipe. Lay the 2 stands against the wall. Step 3. Move the wooden box away. Screw off the 4 screws below the flat of the machine. Number 2. Device installment. Step 1. In the accessory box is a user manual, a power supply wire, a printer cable, 2 knife sheaths, 2 pen sheaths, a box of knife, a screwdriver, a ball pen, a piece of a warranty card, a pack of screws, and 2 clamps. Step 2. Put a stand flat on the floor. Lay out plastic foam to avoid scraping if necessary. Fix a rail to the stand by a big 6-angle screw with a slight face upward. And the other rail to the other side of the stand. Step 3. After fixture, lift the fixed stand and fix it to another one by 2 stand rails. Step 4. Lift the flat. Aim 4 angles to the stand with the LCD facing to the left of the front board. Screw 4 M14 screws to 4 feet. Adjust the motorial feet to be flat at the same time. Keeping the flat of the machine balanced is critical to the whole movement. Step 5. Put the dual channel pipe with clasp to the inhale port under the flat. Tighten the clasp to avoid air leaking. Cover another port with a clasp. Power up. Step 6. Take the printer cable from the accessory box. Plug the parallel wire, not the 25 pins port, into the port under the flat, and plug the 25 pins port into the LPT port of the computer. Take the power supply wire out and plug one port to the flat with another port to the socket. Step 7. Open the knife sheath. Put the knife in it and screw the cover, leaving 2 mm knife tip space. Make sure that it can revolve freely with a hard paper to its tip. Then, put the sheath into the head and tighten it. Set the operation person as the reference. The near one is the knife rest and the far one is the pen rest. Step 8. Fix a spring to the pen. Then put it into the sheath and tighten. Put the knife sheath into the knife rest, pen sheath into the pen rest, then tighten them. Number 3. Operation. Power on. Press Start. Then the LED displays black grid first. After 15 to 20 seconds, it will be EDU 1762A, Jingwei CAD, CAM. Setting pen 1, knife 2 in the software, for example, set pen. In the initial state, after pressing next button, it displays pen select 1. If it is not showing 1 at the right button, press plus or minus to adjust this parameter to be 1. Then press enter to confirm. Press next twice. It displays pen assignment, pen number 1. If it is not pen at the right button, press minus. Plus is not available here. To adjust this parameter to be pen, then press enter to confirm. Number 2. Set knife. In the initial state, after pressing next button, it displays pen select 2. If it is not showing 2 at the right button, press plus or minus to adjust this parameter to be 2. Then press enter to confirm. Press next twice. It displays pen assignment cut number 2. If it is not cut at the right button, press minus. Plus is not available here. To adjust this parameter to be cut, then press enter to confirm. Number 3. Adjust the knife depth. After finishing the operation above, it is OK to adjust the depth of the knife. Press drop. After it displays cut down 98. First press plus or minus to adjust the value at the right button to be 95. Then press repeat. It will cut a square at the right button. If the depth is not suitable, use plus or minus to modify the value, then press repeat again to test the knife. If it still does not meet your demand, repeat the operation above again till it is OK. Then press enter to confirm. Number 4. Automatic position. When there is still paper left after cutting, in order to save the papers, the automatic function is added. In the initial state, press set up not to loosen, and then press the directions to move the head. Or you can press the directions to slightly move the head directly. After reaching correct place you want to start from, the cutter will take action at that point. For maintenance. 1. Avoid direct sunshine. For too much sunshine will harm the surface. 2. Scrub the machine periodically using alcohol to keep the air holes from blocking. 3. Don't put scissors on the machine, or it would collide against the head when working. 4. Hold the attachment plug, not the wire, when plug in and out. Besides, do not plug in and out with the power on. 5. Electricity specification: 220 voltage, 50 Hz or 60 Hz, 1500 watt, one-way AC. Pay attention to GND and avoid static electricity.